Children with COVID-19 infection may be asymptomatic or they may be mildly symptomatic, moderately sick, or severely sick. The common symptoms include fever, cough, fatigue, myalgia, that is body pain, rhinorrhea, that is running nose, sore throat, diarrhea, loss of smell, loss of taste, or some gastrointestinal symptom, and sometimes breathlessness. Asymptomatic and mildly symptomatic children can be treated at home with home isolation and the suggested treatment by the treating doctor. It is advised to monitor your child for the severity of the infection and then follow the treatment suggested by your doctor. Children with underlying comorbid conditions should be admitted immediately in a dedicated COVID hospital or healthcare facility. A 6-minute walk test under the parent and guardian supervision is recommended for the children above 12 years. It is a simple clinical test to assess the cardiopulmonary exercise tolerance, and it is used to unmask the underlying hypoxia. All you have to do is to attach a pulse oximeter to his middle finger and ask your child to walk for 6 minutes. If there is a drop in the saturation of more than 3% or the pulse oximeter reading falls below 94%, you should immediately consult a doctor. Due to lack of sufficient safety data, it is advisable not to use Remdesivir in children below 18 years of age. A rational use of HRCT imaging has been recommended. Treating physicians should be highly selective in ordering HRCT imaging of the chest. Further studies are underway to assess the risk of infection in the children and to better understand the transmission in this age group. At ABFRL, we have around 12,000 employees and their families. We have not only cared for the physical health and the mental health of our employees, but also we have done our bit to reduce the social stigma attached to COVID. We have so far vaccinated around 3,000 of our employees. Apart from the treatment and the care, the COVID patients also need our emotional support and well wishes. Please do not panic if you have any symptoms of COVID. But do not wait. Please go and consult your doctor as soon as possible and follow his or her advice for a speedy recovery.